Ever struggled to get that perfect steak, crispy on the outside, juicy and medium rare inside? Or wished your homemade mac and cheese could rival the Blue Box but taste far better? If so, The Food Lab by J. Kenji Lopez Alt is the cookbook you need. This New York Times bestseller breaks down the science behind classic American dishes, offering clear, reliable methods that deliver consistent results every time. Kenji, Serious Eats' culinary expert, digs deep into how heat, energy, and molecules interact to create delicious food. His approach challenges traditional cooking methods, showing you smarter, simpler ways to elevate your meals. Whether it's roasting a moist turkey without brining or crafting a flawless hollandaise sauce in just 2 minutes, The Food Lab makes complex techniques accessible and doable. What sets this book apart? Over 1,000 full-color photographs guide you step by step, making each recipe easy to follow. From turning one basic tomato sauce into 6 different dishes to mastering the crispiest, creamiest potato casserole, Kenji's recipes are designed to build your confidence and skills in the kitchen. Readers rave about The Food Lab's blend of science and practicality. One longtime fan calls it a must-have for serious cooks, comparing it to classics like Harold McGee's works and Joy of Cooking. The engaging writing style keeps you hooked, while the wealth of knowledge ensures you'll return to this book for years to come. If you're ready to cook smarter, not harder, The Food Lab offers exactly what you need. It's more than just recipes, it's a guide to understanding why food behaves the way it does, so you can fix common mistakes and impress family and friends with flawless dishes. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your kitchen game without the guesswork. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this book helps you get better results with less stress. It's the kind of resource that transforms everyday meals into something memorable. So if that's you, someone who wants to cook with confidence and creativity, The Food Lab is the answer. Dive into proven techniques, vibrant photos, and recipes that work. Treat yourself or gift it to a fellow food lover. Once you start cooking with Kenji's methods, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.